Hello and welcome to my daily routine for Survey Sites to Pay Part 3. Hope you guys have loved the series so far. I just couldn't cram it all together in one video because there's so many sites I have to talk about and I have a very limited time. I have other things I have to do, so couldn't really cram it all together, so I had to make a series, an 8-part separate video series to this. So there's 8 videos you guys, you might want to check out only because I go through where you find everything on the site, where you find where you can go to redeem, the different gift cards you have to choose from, how where you find your points, where you can find frequently asked questions. So, for those of you who don't know, my name is Velvet. I would like to welcome you to my channel, Financial Freedom. And the reason I named it that is because I want you guys to become financially free with me no matter what it is you do online, okay? Surveys are what I've been doing I just started back with doing surveys, and I want you guys to know something. They are very frustrating at times. You just have to have patience. You guys do need to understand that when you take surveys, you need to make sure you give correct information. Don't give false information. Make sure that when you sign up to these Get Paid To sites, you enter a correct email address. You guys need to sign up for a PayPal account if you want to get PayPal cash. If you want to do direct deposit, if you have a bank account, you can send the money to your bank account. Just enter your bank debit card information, and you'll be able to send the money to your bank account. If you want to do PayPal, you guys need to go to paypal.com and sign up for an account, and also you need to request a business PayPal debit card so you guys can have your funds sent to your PayPal card when you get paid. Okay, so it will be sent to your account, but if you have a PayPal business debit card attached to your PayPal account, the money will be sent directly to your card. Okay, if you activate your card, get in the mail, you activate it, and then it'll be attached to your PayPal account, and you'll have access to your funds that way. Okay, so that's something you guys can do as well. Now let's get into the video. Before we start, I would like for you guys to like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for future videos, and let's get it in. Okay. So what we're going to talk about is I'm going to go through this site for you guys. This is called Earnably, and this is a site that it's not that new, but when I first heard about it, I was shocked because of how low the cash out is. So I'm going to show you that in a few minutes, but I want you guys to know that my routine on here is surveys, basically. These are the top surveys they have. Your surveys is mainly right now, it says something about delayed crediting, which means if you do surveys, you'll get that your credits will be delayed. I'm not sure why. That's new. Um, Sometimes it means it'll take time. It'll take a minute before you get credited for taking the survey if you complete it. Okay. Their reach is a lot like Tap Research, where you do the survey and you get disqualification points if you don't qualify for the survey. You will not always get qualification. You will not always get disqualification points. You will not always qualify for the survey. Okay, you got to have patience when it comes to surveys because you guys can take a 20-minute survey and not qualify for it. Okay, do not rush to the survey. Make sure you answer the surveys honestly because that's what they look for. And eventually, you guys will get surveys that repeat themselves over and over. So when you take the survey, you'll know what to do. Okay. So the top surveys you want to do are your surveys in ThermReach on this site. Okay. That's what I recommend. That's what I do. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna go over here. This is where you find everything you want to find on Earnably. And so we're gonna go to the offer walls. Okay. So what I used to do on here was called Minute Staff, and I see they've taken it off. And it was just where you view web pages and you stay on it for 1 minute and you get the points. But I see they've taken that off and they've just kept these things, okay? They kept their top offer walls, and as you can see, their top offer walls are Peanut Labs, AdSend Media, AdGate Rewards, and OfferTurtle, okay? So Peanut Labs basically is one of their survey platforms where you do the survey, and if you don't qualify for it, you get 1 point. And depending on how many surveys you do, you get a lot of points for that, okay? So you guys should look into that. It really is worth it. I've done Revenue Universe. It's really easy. Let's just click on that real quick so I can show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so what I recommend, if you guys are not willing to invest money into this, I would recommend just sticking to the free stuff where you don't have to pay money. But like right here, okay, I've done this. I can read. Those of you that have kids out there that are learning how to read and they want to read by themselves, this is only $1. Okay, sometimes it's $2. But look at how many points you get for $1 or for $2. You get 660 points, you guys. That is $6.60 you can cash out. Okay, yeah, I might want to do this because that's $6.60 for me. I've done this multiple times. I've done Hulu. Okay, right now they have a bonus going on, like $5.99 a month. Okay, $5.99. That's $6 a month, you guys. 540 points. That's $5.40. Come on, you guys. You're only dropping. That's $6 basically. You get your first month free. I've done that before. I've paid $5.99 for my Hulu Plus membership. Okay, and I've done I Can Read. I got these books for my son. Okay, so these points are worth it if you're only dropping like if you're spending $10 or less. I say it's worth it. If you have, if all your bills are up to date and you have nothing else to pay and take care of, then yes, I say it's worth it. Okay, you have things like this. This is 9 points. This is worth it. You just enter your information, click on it, sign up, and you get the points. Okay, so things like that are worth it, you guys. Same thing with this. This is worth it. I've done that one before. Most of these are easy, you guys. In Amara Coffee, this one is only $1.95. $1.95, you guys. $1.95. Okay, and you get $2. You get 240 points is equivalent to $2.40. I've done Amara Coffee, and the coffee's good. I love coffee, so it's only $1.95. Come on now, but it's worth the points. Now, if you see something for $10 and it's only worth 5 points, I wouldn't do it. But if it's like this, it's $2 or $1, and it gets you your cash out. This is a cash out right here. You guys can cash this out as soon as you get the points. You cash it out. This is a cash out. You guys, I'm going to show you the cash out redemption in a minute. But you guys, look, you're earning. All you got to do is invest money into it. If you guys are trying to get quick cash, recommend doing this. Let's see. Click on this. I've done this before. Let's just look at it. See how much you're going to be paying. $1 shipping and handling. Dude, $1 for 660 points? I say it's worth it. My opinion. This tells you right here. You get a free membership. A free membership for 500. All you do is sign up. You have to enter a credit card. It has to have at least $1 on it so they can know that the card works. And then after your membership's over, you pay $5.99. But as soon as you sign up and pay that dollar, you get the 540 points. But you have to stay a member for at least a month. At least a month to keep your points. That's just the way it works, okay? Now, this is just something you're getting mailed to you. You can cancel this within 2 to 3 business days. You'll get your points like today if you sign up for this, okay? I Can Read. I've done this multiple times. I know exactly how it works. Okay, so this is worth it, and this is a cash out, and this is a cash out, okay? So think about it, you guys. Okay, so we're going to go over here to videos. And I honestly recommend doing Ace Wall because all you have to do is watch. It's the same thing I showed you guys on PrizeRoll and HDC. You just watch 4 ads and you get 1 point. And depending on how many videos you watch, how many 1 points you have, you get a lot of points. And this is daily cash. Hideout TV. I don't really focus on the videos too much because when I first started trying to do the videos, it wouldn't load for me. But now Ace Wall, I'm going to start doing this because it's something that I can really get into. Okay, so we're going to go to the redeem. I want to show you guys the PayPal cash here. See, these are all the gift cards you guys have. See, look at all these gift cards. Look at this. Tons to choose from. Tons. You guys can take a look at that when you sign up. Okay, so we're going to get to the PayPal. I want to show you this. Look at how low of a cash out this is. 125 points for $1. $1. I've cashed out $1 on this site already. I've already cashed out $1. I did it to see if the site works. 225 points for $2. 500 points for $5. 1,000 points for $10. 2,500 points for $25. 4,975 points for $50. And 9,925 points for $100. You guys do the math. Okay? So that's it for my daily routine for survey sites to pay part 3. Stay tuned for my next video. My daily routine for survey sites to pay part 4. Take care, you guys.